Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how to prioritize recordings on YouTube TV. Since YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR and can record everything you set to record simultaneously, the concept of prioritizing recordings to avoid missing shows is not applicable in the traditional sense. Let's explain why and what you might be looking for if you're thinking about prioritization. On traditional DVR systems with a limited number of tuners, you might need to prioritize recordings when two or more shows you want to record air at the same time, but you only have enough tuners for a few. In such a case, you would tell the DVR which show is most important to you. However, with YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR, this issue is eliminated. When you add a show, movie, or event to your library to record, YouTube TV records it in the cloud regardless of how many other programs are airing at the same time that you also want to record. You can set dozens or even hundreds of programs to record, and YouTube TV will record all of them simultaneously without conflict due to limited recording capacity. Therefore, there is no feature on YouTube TV to prioritize one recording over another because the system is designed to record everything you've added to your library. If you've added a series to your library, every episode that airs that matches your recording settings, e.g., new episodes, will be recorded. Perhaps what you are looking for is how to manage which programs you are recording. You can do this by going to your library in the YouTube TV app or website. Here, you can see all the shows and movies you are currently set to record. You can remove titles from your library to stop recording them if you decide you no longer want to record that particular program. This is the closest you get to managing or prioritizing which content is saved to your DVR, but it's about deciding what you record at all, not resolving simultaneous recording conflicts. We hope this video clarified why prioritizing recordings isn't necessary or a feature on YouTube TV due to its unlimited cloud DVR. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.